Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Just want to give a quick update on the lights I've added onto the car. I added some fog lights to the bumper. So these are 5-inch fog lights. I think they have 9 LEDs inside of them, and then like 3 more LEDs to the sides. They also have the yellow amber around it. That is a separate light. I literally just hooked them up, so if you see any wiring that needs to be hidden, I'm not done. And this is what they look like when the lights are off. You can still see the yellow amber in the background. Real sweet lights. They're a non-name brand. Just got them online, ordered them, took a while to get here. They're 50 watts each. That's one of the main reasons why I got them, was because I already have a lot of lighting usage plus my speakers. I didn't want to put something that takes up too much light, too much wattage, so that's why I went with these. They do have bigger ones as well, but the bigger ones are like 90 watts each, and I just didn't want to drain that much power from my battery. 100%, this car looks so much better with some fog lights on the bumper, turning the lights back on. Man, that looks awesome. And then I'm sure you guys know my Baja Lights just have yellow covers on them. They're really white. I have the car running because I don't want the batteries to die. It's a lot of power being used. $51.50 whips up top. Baja ONX6 on the center, which is right there. And then on the pillars I have Sport 2s from Baja Design. And then these are non-name brand, just cheap lights. Very, very cheap. I got them for like 60 bucks a pop. These are $51.50. And then the chase light in the back is X-Sprite, I think. X-Sprite chase light. That thing was a steal. I have videos on my channels if you guys want to see a specific light being used or talk about. Just go in and look through my videos. I have a video on everything I did except the front ones. Those are my newest ones. So this is a RS Turbo R, 172 horsepower, 72 inches wide, 2021 model. I also have some rock lights, but the sun is out, so you can't really see them. And then these are my stock tires. I do have some sand wheels and tires for the car. I took the car out the other day, and where I went riding, there was just dirt, no sand, so put the stock tires back on. I'm thinking about keeping these same wheels and just putting some really fat tires on here, like 32s or 33s, because these tires are just way too little. I upgraded the seatbelt harnesses, MB cord sound system, S&B intake. Engine is completely stock besides the intake. All that does is help separate the sand and the wind and the air. It's going into your engine. Stock exhaust, rear lower doors, This front bumper is from Can-Am. It's factory painted that color. It's called Dune, D-U-N-E. And it has holes up top to, there's a tab here, and where the lights hook up to, there's holes. They're already pre-drilled, so you can pretty much mount whatever lights you want on there. And I went with these 5-inch. I think they look freaking awesome. They don't hide the grill too much. And for meantime, I think I'm probably done with lighting. When it gets dark, I'll add a clip of what just these lights do. Very easy to hook up. I just hook them up directly to my battery, red and black. And then the amber lights, which is the yellow DRL, daytime running light. All I did was, I actually have this here. So what this is the factory light that comes here in the XRS. It's already pre-wired, even if you don't have those lights. So all I did was get the yellow light, the yellow wire that was here, and this comes with the yellow wire as well. I just connected that, and boom, my DRLs are on. So that's pretty cool how they're already hooked up. This extra wire right here, this was plugged into the eyebrows, but this RS didn't come with factory headlights right there, so I just used the wire from there and it worked just fine. If you want to see what I'm talking about, this car here, these are the factory daytime running lamps, and my car didn't come with them. It just came with like black plastic there, but it was still plugged in. They plugged in the plastic. Pretty weird. Cool though, because of that, they made it extremely easy to hook up those two little fog lights. But yeah, any questions or comments, feel free to drop them in the comment section. Tell me what you guys think about them. I think they look awesome. And thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna add that clip for you, so stay tuned. Alright guys, here is our new light that we just added, the two fog lights. Get all the light to the left side. Wow. Wow, those are very bright. You can definitely see the beam. Alright, now I'm gonna do my Baja Design center light. That's the center light. Oh yeah, that's definitely brighter. Let's see, the center light stops about here. Look at the extra lighting from the fog lights. Wow, oh my gosh. Yeah, that makes a hell of a difference. Center light off, now just the fog lights. Man, those are bright. Let me get off my car real quick. Man, that's a lot of output. 120 bucks. Show me better lights. Challenge you guys. Show me better lights for $120. But yeah. Center, fog lights off. Fog lights on. With the center light. So that's center light again. Fog lights only with the center light. thanks for watching, guys. Until next time. Thank you.